Hello, welcome back. Miss Wynn, she cut the perfect slice of pie and then wanted to show everybody in her Facebook group. The picture is shown below. We want to calculate the volume of the slice of pie by using a cylindrical coordinate system. So since we're dealing with cylindrical coordinates, you want to make sure we have everything in. We want to find the change in the height, the change in the radius, and the change in theta. So we want to find our limits. So in this problem right here, we are looking at how z, r, and theta change. And that's our limits. So we can say, well, in this case right over here, my z values are going to go from 0 to 4. That's what's increasing. So when I want to write my limits, I know my height, H-E-I-G-H-T, goes, my change in z's go from 0 to 4. So our base, which is on the xy plane, deals with our circle. This is our cylindrical part. So that's going to give me my change in radius. Not too bad to do. The radius from the pole out goes out 6 centimeters. So my radius goes from 0 to 6. My angle, theta, that's measuring out this way as we rotate around, goes from 0, and they tell me to pi over 6. So if I want to calculate the volume here, it's my triple integral. Be very careful. Spread it out. Don't forget, we are dealing with cylindrical, so it's r dz, dr, d theta. And my z's are going to go from 0 to 4. My r's from 0 to 6, and theta from 0 to pi over 6. Remember this part right here, that's our change in theta. This represents our change in radius. And this is our change in our height. In other words, z right there. And let's practice typing this in our calculator just to see what it gives us. So here's my calculator. I'm going to type this in, Doc B, clear out the memory. Make sure you're in radian mode. And when I write this, it's going to go menu. Now I'm using the Inspire, the CAS. You can use the CX or an online calculating system. Now the CAS is really nice, but when you do this, when you go to calculus, don't forget to go to 4. We want to pick 3, the integral. If you have the CX, you're just going to hit 2. So this is going to go from 0 to pi over 6. I don't know where pi is. I just always type in pi divided by 6. Go over here, menu 4, 3, type this in, 0 to 6. Next integral, menu 4, 3, and now this one goes from 0 to 4. Now be very careful. There has to be something in here. There's nothing over here. Whoop, there's something over here. What letter is that? That's our R. So I'm going to make an R right there. R. Be very careful of the order. DZ, DR, and then theta. Now I don't have to use theta. I can really use any variable if I want to. So this would be DZ, DR, and since I don't have theta, I can use T because T is the Greek letter. Theta is the Greek letter for T, anyways. So I'll use T in this case. I press Enter, and whoops, there we go. There's our answer. And what do we wind up with? Is 12 pi, and that would be the volume of that piece of cake. Piece of pie. Sorry, slice of pie, easy as cake, whichever. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you all later. Bye-bye.